Welcome. Today we're going to talk about the Model VS Series Land Roller by Smyth Welding. Smyth's VS Series Land Rollers incorporate all the necessary design features to make it last for many years to come. Features like 1.5-inch diameter greasable wing pivot pins, 4 extra wide wheel lift bushings, 4-inch by 4-inch by 1/4-inch wall tube frame, 30-inch diameter rollers, 3/8 of an inch thick main drum, and 7/16 thick wings, with 5/16 inch thick reinforced ends. Heavy-duty industrial hydraulic cylinders as well as adjustable scrapers are just some of the great advantages of owning a Smyth roller. Safety features like transport lighting and over-center latch lift axle are just some of the items that come standard on Smyth rollers. High-pressure 4-inch by 24-inch hydraulic wing cylinders with cylinder float. No lockup is required. Shock absorbers in hitch assembly allow for greater ground speed by minimizing fore and aft pitching action when in field position. Heavy duty 2-inch bearings with ductile housings as shown right there. Available widths are 22 feet to 34 feet. Weight per foot is 265 pounds per foot. Smyth Welding for all your land roller needs. Give us a call. Visit our website, smythwelding.com. Thank you.